Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to take a look at how to create a Toon shader, also known as a cell shader, using Shader Graph. The character used in this tutorial was downloaded from Sketchfab. We'll use this model as our test subject. First, create an unlit shader, since we'll be implementing our own lighting. Unlit is the best choice here. The core idea is very simple. We take Lumbertion shading and remap it to use as our final shading result. In this tutorial, we'll calculate Lumbertion shading using the main light direction and the normal vector, then remap the result using a texture. This approach gives us the most flexibility. Let's start by creating the Lumbertion shading. Take the dot product of the main light direction and the normal vector. Make sure to negate the light direction. Since the result ranges from -1 to 1, use saturate to remap it to a 0 to 1 range. Let's check the results. Looks good. Now we'll use this value to sample another shading map and remap the lighting. Take the shading value we calculated earlier and plug it into the X of the UV. Set Y to a constant value of 0.5. Then sample the texture. Now assign the shading map and check the results. I prepared a few simple shading maps in Photoshop. Don't forget to set the texture wrap mode to clamp, otherwise the result may look incorrect. Once assigned, you should see the remapped shading applied to the model. That looks good. Now multiply this shading result with the base map, and we're almost done. Let's apply it. Let's check the result one more time. Everything is working nicely. Now apply this shader to the rest of the lit materials as well. The ground needs a cutout. We'll add alpha clipping in a moment. Enable alpha clip in the shader and connect the base map's alpha to the final alpha output. And that's it. Simple, right? Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in the next tutorial.